Now y'all tell me, is it better than this? Is it better than being punched continuously by Mike Tyson? Is it better than finding out after 10 years your wife didn't have no orgasm like DJ Envy from the Breakfast Club? Tell me, is it better? Is it better than getting tackled by Von Miller coming off the end, playing linebacker, defensive end? Is it better? Is it better than being flat out broke or being poor financially, spiritually, mentally? I think so. Is it better? Is it better than racism? Huh? Is it better than losing your health? Is it better than being in a car accident? Is it better than having a brain tumor? Come on, don't play with me. I'm asking, is it better than this? So why is everybody confused or upset? Is it better than being unemployed? Is it better than being in a bad relationship that's not going anywhere fast? Is it better than having a disrespectful person that you were in connection and cahoots with? I think it is. Prince said it, and I agree with Prince. Instead of out there dealing with bombs crackling in a war, I'd rather be making love to you on the couch. Woman.